Let me show you how you can organize your Canva files. I have this design right here, which I want to put into my PD folder. So I can either go to the three dots here and move it to a folder, or if I have it open, I can go to File and move it to a folder. So I'm going to move this to my PD folder. And now when I want to find my file, I just go to the folder and open it. So how do I find my folder? So now I'm going to go to Projects, and if you look at the top here, you have folders. So now I can go to my folders, I can go to my PD folder, and I can now open up my project.